OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to activate test mode on the following device. So at first let me open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *808#. And now we are in testing mode. Let me enter it. So at first you can go for the assembly test project. So as you can see, you've got plenty of them. You can perform them if you want to. Then the second tab is device debugging. So here you can perform fingerprint test, keypad test, vibration test, touchscreen test, charger test, and all the others. For example, you can test OTG connection, light sensor, M sensor, G sensor, and all the others. So let me pick, for example, touchscreen test, and let me select handwriting, so the very first one. So as you can see, it is working properly. Here is the resolution. So let's go back. Maybe you would like to check some other test, for example, keypad test. So let me check if volume up is working correctly. Yes, it is. Then volume down, power, do not disturb mode, normal, and as you can see, all the keypads works correctly. Let me enter and let's go further. So as you can see here, you've got all the device debugging tests, you can perform them. Then you've got the camera over here, so you can test your camera. You can pick raw camera preview, second back camera preview, third back camera preview, front camera preview, and all the others. For example, flashlight test, optical image stabilizer, and all the others. Let me go further. Here we've got media debugging, so you can go to the echo test, single mic recording test, and all the others. As you can see here, you've got plenty of tests, so if anything is not working correctly, you will definitely find the proper tests here, so you will be able to check if it's the feature to blame or just some of the application. And let's go to WCN. So here you can search Bluetooth device, you can perform a Wi-Fi test, Wi-Fi ROM mode test, and also you can check your GPS signal. And then finally we've got communication debugging, so you can perform here your call test, SIM card test, NFC test, Bluetooth remote control test, standby current test, and all the others with LTE included. And the last tab is the others. So as you can see here are all those tests which were not included previously. For example, screen always on, screen blacklist test, cover test, and plenty of other very useful features test. For example, root status test. So you can perform it. Then you can also reboot your device into the bootloader if you want to. You can check the software version over here and clear all data in your phone over here. So that's it. This is how you can use the test mode. You can enable it whenever you want to, whenever you need to. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.